Okay, retirement with revenue. With revenue will mean with customer. We will need to have a customer in place, but we haven't maintained that. So we'll go for ABAON. Transfer within company code and intercompany asset transfer. Let's discuss this. Okay, document date, posting date, value date. Value date is when depreciation is implied. Transfer to existing asset. It can be like you acquired an asset, improved it, overhauled it like a machinery, and it became new. You ordered asset parts, assembled it, and you can then transfer it to existing asset. Or you can have an altogether new asset and set value date. Okay, or you can transfer it to new asset. Additional details. No, before that, accounting principle. IFRS depreciation area 01. Additional details. Posting period, it will pick automatically. Accounting document. Can give a reference. Partial transfer. How much of that asset will be transferred? Okay, and prior year and current year acquisition means accumulated depreciation will be transferred as well. Percentage, rate, and quantity you can post here and post it. As simple as that. Okay. Additional asset account assignment. Asset account assignment. Account assignment is like cost object, using cost object, like cost centers. But asset account assignment, I'm not so sure about that. I'll have to check. You can also, let's say, 1000 quantity one, multiple assets from asset to asset. So you can transfer it as well. Okay. Partial transfer, document date. Amount posted from asset to this asset. And you can list down all the assets. Since we don't have an asset, that's why I'm actually not going ahead with this transaction, but it is simple and straightforward. No rocket science. Intercompany asset transfer. If you have multiple company codes and you want to transfer from head office to another company code, existing or new, same procedure. Okay. With some change of fields, company code will be different. Manual revenue if you are selling it, but there's usually no revenue because for consolidation. Manual revenue, you can enter revenue or revenue from net book value. And the basis for net book value will be book depreciation or any other area. And that will adjust accumulated depreciation against the current capital value of the asset. Zero one. Company code 9. Posting period will be automatic. Reference, partial transfer, amount posted, prior year, current year, current year. Let's see what it says for current year. Okay, and posted. Okay, that's how easy it is. One shot. So they can ask you in the interview about this. Okay, this was done. Retirement with revenue, without revenue. Asset scrapping. Let's do it. Let's scrapping accounting principle 6001 asset value date text assets scrapping. Okay, posting period transaction type will be retirement with revenue, without revenue, due to catastrophe, retirement current year acquisition. Without revenue, price acquisition, without revenue, with revenue, without revenue. Let's take this reference partial amount posted will be 200,000, one quantity, current year. Account assignments not available. Okay, fine. Asset does not manage quantity, entering quantity not allowed, return not possible, no existing old assets data has occurred in fiscal year 2023. Okay. Requirement of quantity is not given post. Retirement whole asset not possible. Old asset. This is not old. This was current year. You have turned on return based on amount using thousand old assets data. Compare was the sum of to refer to the past equals 0. Okay. Let's remove this. Enter transaction type. Okay, transaction type will be different. Additional details. Transaction without revenue. Retirement without revenue. Asset posted document number 107. Accounting principle 60. Go to asset master. Okay, this was the asset. Okay. First acquisition on 4/9. Origin, leasing, depreciation areas. Okay. Extras, environment, asset values. Asset values. Okay. Posted value. Value adjustment. 1500 was posted. Okay. APC transaction, it is 0. It has been scrapped. Okay. And external asset acquisition, retirement of current year 1500, 35,000, 38,000 is the loss posted in the document. Let's see what is that document. Okay. Account 10101. This should be, I believe, capital account, accumulated depreciation, asset loss without revenue. Okay. Okay, so this is shown in the P&L side. That being said, okay, manual value correction, manual depreciation, unplanned depreciation. I will tell you the process. Unplanned depreciation is we don't have an asset, but still it's taking. It shouldn't take that. But I think on posting it will say accounting principle 6001, document date, posting date, asset value date, amount posted. Amount posted is 14,000, 14,000 unplanned depreciation. Oh, it was 2,000, so we'll make it 2,500. 2,500. Additional details, AB reference 2,500 unplanned depreciation. And let's try to post that. Posting not possible. Okay, error occurred in fiscal year because the asset is not anymore available. But you actually post this transaction in the background. In the previous SAP versions, it was transferred in the background. But then again, it will actually adjust and post it to depreciation expense and unplanned depreciation account that we created. Let's see how we created that. A090 KR48 balance sheet accounts. So we have loss made on asset retirement 30240, depreciation, double click, accumulated depreciation special, unplanned depreciation is posted to accumulated unplanned is posted here, expense account is posted here. Okay, this is the simple process. That's it. Asset is done. Financial accounting. Periodic processing. Closing. Okay. Reconciliation. Reconcile universal general. Number of bad jobs. But before we actually run the reconciliation, we have to run F.05. Evaluate FBS1. This is actual and deferred dot. Foreign currency valuation. Carry forward. Ledger 0L. Company code KR48. Carry forward to fiscal year 2024. Okay, reset central balance, carry forward, reset asset account specific. Specific what is PCF? Balance carry forward. Okay, balance carry forward. Only follow-up activities of asset account reset. The final balance sheet is not reset if there are difference between existing balance and the balance carry forward portion. A delta balance carry forward is calculated. Okay, a delta is calculated. There is no reconciliation. So let's execute and see. It is in test run, so we can see the results. There will be discrepancies, of course. Balance outgoing, return earnings, vendor recon, zero balance clearing. And these are the values that will be Carried forward, total balances, new balances will be. Okay, these are the new balances, existing balances. Okay, existing balance is zero right now. It has because we have to reconcile our uh, our ledgers for for FI, for banks, for GLs, intercompany reconciliation. For intercompany, we need multiple company codes, and we have to select documents for reconciliation. One thing, F F.05. F.05 function is not possible. Okay, because this is uh, obsolete now. Closing FHGL recon. F.05 was used for reconciliation of FI GRIR entries. Okay, fiscal year 2023 ledger will be 0L. All ledgers will be related to material will be here. Save log is not set up for material management yet because some MRP accounting do you want to create on display. Okay, after is time period basis, current period, or must therefore belong to the system for you to create displays this data. However, this since the company is not yet set up, does not know what the current period is. This is basically because MMRV company code, MMPV from company code close period for material master records. We have to close these periods. MMPV and MMRV close period only, and allow posting previous period. No material exists for company record. Okay, fine. We don't have a material right now, and material ledger, I believe, might not be in place. Might not be. So, you actually execute FIMM reconciliation through this transaction code, and it automatically clears every GRIR account if it is set up. Now, how it is set up? OB 70. Cash discounting. OB 07. Currency transaction transmission exchange rate types. No. Reference currency buy rate at sub rate at. Okay, this is new thing again. OB07. What was that? Just FP70. No, it's just custody.